Welcome back to one more session. Today, in this session, I'm going to explain about fundamental rights. Articles 12 to 35, Part 3 of the Constitution of India. The framers of the Indian Constitution framed the chapter of the fundamental rights on the model of the American Constitution. Fundamental rights in Part 3 of the Constitution is deemed to be a distinguished feature of a democratic state. These rights are prohibitions against the state. The state cannot make a law which takes away or abridges any of the rights of the citizens guaranteed in the Part 3 of the Constitution of India. Even if it passes such a law, it may be declared unconstitutional by the courts. There is a famous case, that is Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, AIR 1978 SC 597. In this case, the Supreme Court has held that the provisions of Part 3 should be given widest possible interpretation. Delivering the judgment, Justice Bhagwati said, the correct way of interpreting the provisions of Part 3 of the Constitution of India is that attempt of the court should be to expand the reach and ambit of the fundamental rights rather than to attenuate their meaning and content. So court should not try to get the meaning of that provision. The intention of that statement is the court should protect the fundamental rights of the citizens. The fundamental rights as incorporated in the Indian Constitution can be classified into 7 groups. They are: 1. General provision with respect to the fundamental rights, that is Article 12 and 13. Next, 2. Right to equality, which is provided under Articles 14 to 18. Right to freedom, which is incorporated under Articles 19 to 22. Next, 4. Right against exploitation, which are given under Articles 23 and 24. Right to freedom of religion, which are provided under Articles 25 to 28. And cultural and educational rights, which is given under Articles 29 to 30, 29 and 30. The last one, right to constitutional remedies, that is Articles 32 to 35. The 44th Amendment of the Constitution has abolished the right to property as a fundamental right as guaranteed by Article 19(1)(f) and Article 31. Hence, Article 19 Clause 1F and Article 31 has been omitted. These are the fundamental rights which are incorporated under the Constitution of India. Thank you.